know who made it.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST /FLHX Glider 254. And we got a video for y'all. Is this y'all? It's not it. That's another package. So we got a quick unboxing. Oh, this finna go down right quick. I gotta go start the snowfall. So if you know or didn't know, Snowfall just had their premiere last season or whatever. So of course, you know me, I'm always late to shit because I be doing other shit. So, anyway, let's open up this box so you can see what we got. Oh, we got some bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Bam. Ooh. Think Bow. Insta360. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Let's go and get that thing open up. If you know, you know. Says please tear here. Let's see what we got in the box. Boom. Right across the top. You know I love opening new shit. I don't like the process of paying for it, but I like opening new shit. So, of course, this is something to upgrade the channel's video capabilities, etc., etc. This is going to benefit both channels. As I have been thinking about it, been on the fence about it for a little while, but now we done finally done it. So, we got the invisible selfie stick. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So they make this one, and I think it's like another version. I didn't know you really need to read directions for a selfie stick, but yeah, Insta360 selfie stick is in full effect. Chitty chitty bang bang. I'll figure it out in a second. Boom. Then you have the Insta360 1X2. Now the 1X3 is available, but I didn't feel necessary to get the X3. But it is what it is. The X2 is going to be just fine. It's going to capture what we need to capture. The only real benefit over the X3 or the X3 over the X2 is the more screens or whatever, but it does get controlled by an app. So save that money. Alright, so also in the box we have this multi-function bullet time handle. We'll do some more research on that. This was like in a bundle on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description box below. You got your lens cap. I'll probably be buying, or I'm gonna be buying them, but you definitely want to put your lens caps on there because I heard it is, you don't want to get a scratch on your lenses And then when it's stored away, you don't want to get them scratched up because it will affect the quality of it. And then last but not least, comes with a Insta360 64 gigabyte memory card. I do not know who it's made by. Usually I do Samsung, but yeah, I'll probably end up upgrading it because this is a UHS Speed Class 3, and just me knowing cameras and stuff the way that I do, we can do a whole lot better than that, especially when you're recording. I think it says, is it 5K? 5.7K 360 degree capture. So it's pretty impressive. But let's go ahead and open up this box. Like I said, I've been thinking about it for a minute. It only made it made sense just for me to do it for the LS Chevy Rider channel, but even more so now that we got the bike. I mean, granted, I've always had a bike, but never had the 360 camera. I never was just genuinely making content for the bike. So, but being that the bike now has its own Instagram and everything like that, then I was like, you know what? It ain't a whole lot more that we have to do with the other cars, and being that we're getting to the side where we're not just working on the cars, we out here getting into action. Why not capture the action? So let me get this out here. It's the 361 X2. So as you can see there, that's the camera. Fits in the palm of your hand, so to speak. This is the size compared to like your iPhone Plus, Max Pro. Give me it a go. So you can see there. So it's smaller than a cell phone. There is no carrying case, I believe, but I do believe you can purchase one. Let's see what we got in the accessories box. I do not want to come out. Alright, there we go. So in the accessories box, we're gonna pop it open and see what we got. So it does actually come with a case. You can take your camera there, put it in your little case. Definitely want to be careful because you do not want to scratch your lenses. I think that may be the only thing that I got from the whole thing. So boom, it goes in the case, it's protected, good to go. There's a quick start guide. It tells you how to waterproof it. We don't really do water stuff, but the compliance information, warranty card, limited warranty, all that good stuff. And then there's, I'm guessing that this is, what is this? Oh, okay, like a little microfiber, so you can constantly wipe it and keep it clean. And stickers, because who don't like stickers? So that's what you buy stuff for, is stickers. Alright. Like I said, there is the lens cap. I'll pop that out here. Like I said, the bundle, I mean, it really wasn't that expensive. It actually made more sense to buy the bundle than it did anything else. But yeah, that just goes right over that like that. I guess if you don't want to necessarily put it back in all the way in the case, then that will protect the main component, which is the screen. So there's that. So like I said, the bullet time handle and the selfie stick, I will have to figure out, or the invisible selfie stick, I'll have to figure out what's going on with them. It does include a charging cable, which I'm gonna go charge it up. And then the next video you'll see will be us using it. It is just a naturally USB 3.0 cable. For whatever reason, they do not want to give you no kind of charging brick. They just assume that you have a charging brick or a computer or something. I want a charging brick for every purchase, especially for when you spend this much on something. If you want a charging brick too, then put it in the comments. Hashtag I want a charging brick. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing. Oh, no. That's it for this channel. If you want to see the rest of this, you're going to have to go over to the FLHX Glider, because the next part is exclusive to motorcycles. So head on over. So if you're watching this, I imagine that you just came over from the other channel, or you've been watching this video all along and you're here for the second part that is exclusive to motorcycles. Still trying to figure out this fucking selfie stick. Oh, you just pull it. I'm up here trying to twist that shit. You just pull it, bop it, twist it, push it, okay. Simple enough. I'm with it. I'm up here trying to twist it and shit. Alright. So, selfie stick works. Selfie slash invisible stick. Excuse me. Invisible. So the name is invisible selfie stick. So yeah, there's that. And it just pulls. Oh wow. It got a lot longer than I thought it did. So yeah, when you out like that, now it is quite long, but it's not much to like. I mean, it'll hold the camera, but I wouldn't advise like trying to bust nobody's ass with it. But it will probably bend very easily. So like I said, if you're still here, then you're here for the second part of this video, which is the motorcycle mount kit bundle from Insta360. So I was watching a fellow motorcycler's channel that I found since I started exclusively doing motorcycle channel stuff over here, and I know that he purchased this kit for his bike. He actually ordered the X3. I decided to just go with the X2, which I was showing earlier in the video. So that's gonna get charged up and everything in just a sec. Probably order some more batteries. Although I have heard that the battery life is pretty good, but yeah. So the motorcycle mount bundle kit, really the only part that I foresee myself using out of this kit is, well, let me show you. So the motorcycle mount bundle includes a double ball mount, a heavy duty claw mount, 3M adhesives ×4, 2 curved bases, 4 mounting buckles, 4 thumb screws, 1 extension rod, stabilizer rings ×4, a thumb screw wrench, and a 1/4 mount camera mount adapter ×4. So yeah, you can see that there. But what's better than pictures, the real thing. So it does include what many of us as motorcycle people are very familiar with, which is going to be your ball mounts, claw. These I am very familiar with. It just goes onto the bar. I already know because I already have it on my Harley. It will go right there on my crash bar. I'm pretty sure it'll mount to this rear. Bring out with me. I'm pretty sure it will mount right here to say the back of here. As far as motorcycle mounting stuff goes. So take that, secure it down, boom. And just that simple, that part's installed. It also is going to come with your double ball mount thing here, where the ball goes on that side and whatever you need, this goes onto the other side. But you can just take that right here. And then that will secure there. Oh, but let me show you what you can do with that selfie stick. So to get that iconic view that I seen in other people's videos, it was like, yo, I want that shit. You take your Insta360 invisible selfie stick, you screw it onto the base, just like so. You adjust it however you need it to be, and then you pull it out. Now, depending upon the angle in which you put this is going to determine how far it's going to protrude off the bike, but unless you just put it straight back, you should be fine. Nobody should hit it. But do adjust it and put it as you see fit. Now, like I said, it does come with some other things. Like I said, you can show here. So it has 3M adhesives, the little wrench, which is mainly for these. You can see there. And then it has the various, various tie downs, etc., etc. So at that point, honestly, it's all up to you how you decide to set it up. Me personally, I'm probably not gonna need more than what I've already shown you here. Unless, I decide to do something at a different angle or something like that, but for the most part though. So let me show you these. How those snap in there. Pretty sure y'all are familiar with those. Excuse my ashy hands, I was working on a car in another video. So it's only got 2 bases. Yeah, so the part that these actually snap into is only 2. But then it does have like these here that slide in using these here. So like I said, if you're familiar with using other platforms like these, I recognize these from GoPros. I don't think my GoPro stuff ever came with a wrench, but now we're good to go. So you got that one there. So these, you know, you can just put them where you see fit. I'll probably put, I've never really used the 3M tape. I know it does hold very well. I may think about using that on the cars. Now, the only, like I said, even though this says it's a motorcycle kit, I mean, some of this stuff I feel like you could probably use somewhere else. So if I take the 3M double-sided tape and I'll tape it to a car or a helmet or whatever, then, you know, we could probably use it there. But like I said, the main view that I was looking for was with this selfie stick, man. I can't even lie to you. So the camera itself does have the threads already at the bottom. There we go. Make sure that bad boy does not move. Yeah, so you just take it, you screw your camera on like that. That it is not. So, and that's it. It does say that you want to make sure that the camera is facing, the cameras are facing a certain way, pretty much front and back for the 360. That is, I guess, the secret to what makes the stick invisible. After you got your stick on there, extend your camera back out, and that's it. You're pretty much good to go. So, like I said, next video, I'll get you some content from the back of the car, from on the bike, you know what I'm saying? Here, there, everywhere. We're gonna keep it coming. We're gonna keep it coming. So, if I could, which I'm going to look around Amazon, I'm pretty sure I could find one. If I'm able to find another base, like just the base with that screw size, so that I can screw that directly into the mounting point for the selfie stick, directly on there. Also, if you don't want it up that high, it's the same thread pitch or whatever. However, right here is like probably not the best place to put it. You're looking for that. You're kind of looking for that Grand Theft Auto first-person shooter kind of view, and that's what this selfie stick is gonna give you. So, nice little penny, but I feel it's an investment in capturing the memories. I look forward to capturing footage with not only me, but my boy Pride. That might be how I tried out the first time recording the 360 mode. I've been watching some videos on how to get certain footage, so I look forward to it. I really do. But yeah, so that's, like I said, just one more thing to add to the bike, being better content. And like I was telling them on the other channel, I feel it's beneficial across both channels. So stay tuned. And we out. Tell them bye, Shawty. Shawty says bye.